Hello, and welcome to another update about Ether. Situation largely unchanged, so it's just a quick middle of the day update, rather quiet day today. But ETH might be moving in some kind of an impulse here to the upside. We're dealing with either in the white count, as already explained in the previous videos, the scenario in which this larger wave 4 correction, which started with the top on the 10th of November, this decline, this wave 4 correction could be complete. We might be in the wave 5. That should be a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, this wave 1 might be complete, obviously. The wave 2 might be complete with that low. Very deep wave 2 though, very deep. Didn't invalidate the pattern, but broke briefly below the ideal support. And yeah, we could be in this third wave now. Then we should get a 4 and 5. Now, this third wave should be unfolding as an ABC structure actually, because the the wave 1 did that as well. It's an ABC structure. It's a corrective rally to the upside. So also here, but within a corrective rally, you also can have the first wave, the A wave, as an impulse. Now that's where it gets quite confusing, but you know, I'm still highlighting, as long as we're holding that intraday low, that is a valid scenario. To confirm that, I want to see a break and a sustained break above the upper boundary line of the trend channel. And then we can target $2,200 to $2,300. I do see, however, the potential that this is just a C wave rally in an even larger ABC structure. So that means that this wave 4 could certainly extend out. The reason is because this is just a very choppy move up. So it could just be an A wave in yellow. Yeah. The rally between Friday and, Monday. Then this was a 3-wave move down, could easily be a B wave. And because it did overshoot to the downside, broke below support slightly, B waves can easily do that. They can overshoot, no problem, more than a wave 2. So that's something I've added today to the chart. And then, we might be rallying in the C wave, but it might just be part of a larger B wave, which will then come down in a 5-wave C wave. So how can we distinguish between them? First of all, you need to understand that a wave 4 correction is usually very frustrating. It's usually very boring. Yeah, that's exactly what we see. It's a boring wave. It's frustrating. You think, okay, it's going, but then it's not, and up and down, and So typically in a wave 4, the focus is on capital preservation and building positions for the next move, not trying to trade within a correction, ideally. But it is, a wave 4 is always frustrating, and you get a lot of fake outs, even though here we didn't actually have a new high, a new price high, but such a B wave can do that. Okay, if this is some kind of a flat structure, that is absolutely possible. Then B wave could even go high and then come down and then even rally further. Frustrating. So that's why, sometimes it's just simple to zoom out and just focus here on the larger support. Okay. How can we distinguish between them? Well, it would be the next pullback. I mean, again, if this is the white count, then this wave 3 would likely unfold as an A, B, C structure. So if the next pullback is corrective, it would clearly emphasize and favor another rally. If the next pullback is impulsive, maybe we go a little higher, and we get an impulsive move down, and even break below the intraday low, then this is the C wave of wave 4. And it can still then find support between 1909 and 1839. Below 1839, however, I would not assume anymore that this here is a wave 4 correction. It is then simply too large, and we deal probably with a wave 2 correction. But it's corrective price action down. This is not a crash, at least not at the moment. This is not an impulse down. This is not a continuation of the bear market. The bear isn't back, at least not yet. There's no evidence for it. This is just a normal correction that is just a bit frustrating. That's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Here you can find additional content every single day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.